Here we will see the adaptation in birds. Birds are adapted to fly. Okay, birds are adapted to fly. Like the fish, they are adapted to swim. And we human beings and different animals, we are adapted to live on the live on the land. So now let us see the adaptation in the birds. Here the four limbs of the birds are converted to wings. What does it means? Four limbs means सामने के limbs मतलब pair. Okay, all the animals have four limbs, two hind limbs and two fore limbs. मतलब दो पीछे के पैर और दो आगे पैर. Okay, जो आगे के जो पैर है हम उनको four limbs बोलते हैं. Four limbs. So here in the birds the four limbs are adapted or converted to feathers, not feathers, wings. So these are the wings, these four limbs, they are converted to wings so that they can fly. Now what more adaptation? They got the feathers. What are these are the feathers. They help them to fly in air, and the air when they flap the wings, जब वो पंख हिलाते हैं तो air feathers के थ्रू पास नहीं करते हैं. Okay, so that it will beat the air and fly. Okay, now the bones in the birds are hollow. These two kinds of bones are showing. This is the bones of the human beings and this is the bones of the bird. These are hollow means so many air spaces are there in the bones of the birds so that they are lightweight, ताकि वो हल्के हो सके, and it helps the bird to fly. Now what you are seeing here, one more adaptation is this, the air sac. What is the air sac? Air sac means it is the extra little lungs that helps the bird to fly, and it gives energy while flying. Okay, now what are the adaptation in the birds? The four limbs are converted to wings. They got the feathers and little air sacs, and their vision is also very good so that they can see the insect or any animal whichever they are eating, they can see from a long distance. Okay, now herbivores. Let us see the adaptation in the herbivores. This zebra and this one is an deer. These are the herbivore animals. Now let us see what adaptation they got. Look at their eyes. देयर आइज आर साइड टू साइड. दोनों आंखें हेर्बीवोर्स जो होते हैं ना, उनकी आंखें साइड टू साइड रहते हैं, सामने नहीं रहते हैं. ओके, लुक हियर ऑल्सो एंड हियर ऑल्सो. नाउ वाई दीज आर द आइज आर साइड टू साइड? विजन ऑफ हेर्बीवोर्स शुड बी, क्योंकि हेर्बीवोर्स जो होते हैं वो तो घास फूस खाते हैं, लेकिन उनको कौन खाता है? कार्निवोरस उनको खाते हैं ना. दे आर द prey, prey, prey to the carnivorous animal. So to protect themselves from the carnivores, they should have a large vision, ताकि वो साइड और साइड से बहुत दूर तक देख सकते हैं, बहुत रेंज कवर कर सकते हैं. लुक हियर इन द राइट आई दे कैन सी द vision from this side, and from left eye vision from this side. It covers a vision. For example, animal standing here, it can see the vision through this. बस यहाँ से इतना नहीं देख सकते हैं. ओके, दिस मच दे कांट सी, बट दे कैन सी फ्रॉम दिस साइड टू दिस साइड, सो दैट दे कैन सी वेदर एनी एनिमल इज नियर बाय देयर टू hunt them or not. Okay, this is the adaptation in the herbivore. What more adaptation? Look here, the herbivores are the plant eaters. They eat the leaf, shoot and grass, so they did not need the sharp edge. So the incisor means सामने के जो दांत होते हैं, they are not sharp, they are blunt. Blunt means धार नहीं होते हैं, धार जिनके नहीं होते हैं हम उनको blunt बोलते हैं. So here in herbivores the incisors are blunt, and they don't have canine teeth. And what more, these are the premolars and molars, and they are designed so that they can grind the leaves, grass, whatever they eat. Okay, means flattish, थोड़ा सा फ्लैट होते हैं उनके premolars and molars. These are the different adaptation in the herbivorous animals. Now carnivorous means animal eaters. Okay, so look at here. He has the tiger, fox. These are the different carnivorous animals. And what you are looking, the position of the eyes, they are in the front. सामने है वो. Okay, the eyes are in the front, both the eyes. In herbivorous, what we see, the eyes are in the sides, but in carnivorous, the eyes are in the front, so that they can have a clear picture and they can judge the distance and direction. Okay, हेर्बीवोरस जो होते हैं उनको बहुत रेंज तक देखना होता है ताकि वो अपने आप को बचा सके कार्निवोरस से. बट द कार्निवोरस व्हाट दे डू, दे हैव टू रन बिहाइंड द हेर्बीवोरस टू कैच देम. सो दे हैव टू जज द डायरेक्शन एंड द स्पीड. Okay, so they need the vision to be clear. So for a clear vision, the eyes are in the front, both the eyes. Okay, now the teeth. The teeth of the carnivorous are sharp. So here what you are seeing here, the incisors are sharp, means when they hunt animals they have to tear the flesh, so the incisors are sharp. And here also the molars and premolars are also sharp, so that they can bite the flesh and grind it properly. Okay, look at here. Here you can see the difference in the vision of the herbivorous and the carnivorous. Here this one is the carnivorous and this one is the herbivore. What you are seeing here, the herbivorous animals, it can see a range up to this much. Okay, so that you can see from which side the animal is coming to hunt it. Okay, but the carnivorous, it has a range of only this much, so that it can run behind the herbivorous to catch it on time.